Okay, this should be filming 1080p on a SQ8 mini DVR camera. This is a mini DVR camera I bought from Banggood for $18.99. I'm at a park right now. I am in actually 1080p, yes, 1080p mode at the moment, handheld. I'm going to attach this to the R1 Modified. For all of those out there that wonder what my R1 Modified is, this is what it is. Okay, this being handheld, I don't know how this is going to turn out. I hope it's going to turn out okay. My ugly face, but that's why I call it the R1, because that's the only thing that's marked on it. It's R1. So with that said, let's attach this camera to this and fly. And it is very windy. I made a Velcro rig at the bottom here to attach this to. Got a little holder on the back that might work somewhat like a gimbal, I hope. So let's see. Should still be recording, I hope. Let's go fly, baby. Oh, I think I better sync my quad first, huh? Okay, we are synced. Good to fly.